Amanda here from createyourfuture.co. So today we're going to talk about the difference between an intention and an affirmation and what they are. Because I know when I first started learning about the law of attraction, somebody said, oh, create intentions and affirmations. And I was like, I need to know what the difference is. And once I learned what the difference is, it makes it so much easier to understand and to create things in my life. So I always like to create both affirmations and intentions. So first of all, let's just break down what both of them are. So an intention, the dictionary definition of intention is a thing intended, an aim or plan. So that's what an intention is. So an example of that is, I intend to get that job. That's an intention. Now, an affirmation is emotional support or encouragement. I am confident. I am worthy of love. I am amazing. Okay, so you can mix intentions and affirmations, which I tend to do a lot. So I'll say something like, I intend to feel good today. So there's an intention and an affirmation. So the feel good is the emotional support part. I intend to feel good today. And the intention is the aim. So today I intend to feel good. And it's really powerful when I mix them together, when you mix the affirmations and intentions together. And to always create clear affirmations and clear intentions. So for both of those things, both an intention and an affirmation, there's a few rules to follow to create brilliantly powerful intentions and or affirmations. The first one is to be clear. Be clear and as specific. I can say that word. Specific as possible when you create them. So avoid being general, be as detailed as possible. So say you're going to a networking event and you want to meet somebody that has a job for you or get a job offer or something, then you say, I intend to get a job offer tonight at this meeting I'm going to, or at this networking event. Be as detailed as possible. State it in the positive, right? No negatives. Our subconscious mind doesn't hear negatives. So if I say, don't think of a blue duck, you think of a blue duck. So state it in the positive. I intend to leave, or by the end of the day, I intend to have a job offer. I intend to get 4 new clients from this networking event. Be detailed and stated in the now. And the other thing is to say them more than once. It always is like the first time you're just saying it, the second time, you're just kind of dipping your toe in, and the third time it really has a lot of power. And the more times that you say it, the more it's going to be in there. It's going to be more and better chance it's going to be created. So, if you notice, if you say something once, it's difficult, but if you keep saying it, it becomes easier and easier, so that's the difference between an intention and an affirmation. And those are the steps to create powerful intentions and affirmations. State them in the positive, be as specific as possible, detailed as possible, state them in the positive. And as of now, today, I am going to have a good day. I intend to have a good day. I intend to have laughs and lots of fun tonight, Anyway. Yeah, so I hope that helps out. That's my video for today. Put out new videos every Wednesday and Sunday. All of them intended to help you create something wonderful in your life. And yeah, thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Take care. See you next week.